You need to realize that 99% of supplement companies are trying to scam you. This company right here, Ultra Pouches, is just the latest edition of a massive multi-million-dollar marketing spend that goes towards finding influencers and athletes to say these outlandish claims like, oh, these are a wonderful, great, effective alternative to caffeine and Adderall and nicotine. And look, Quentin Rampage Jackson used it. He's a former UFC champion, so it must be true.
I'm on the website right now, and they don't even have the ingredient label as a part of their gallery. It's absurd.
So they make it impossible for you to know what's actually in the formula itself. Now let's actually take a look at what's in it. 2 milligrams of vitamin B6, not even in the P5P form, in the worst, most poorly absorbed form that there is, they have that. So that's doing absolutely nothing for you. 2 milligrams of vitamin B12 cyanocobalamin, not even methylcobalamin, but if it was actually 2 milligrams, that would be 100,000% of the daily value of vitamin B12. So I'm assuming it's a typo because all of their marketing budget went towards marketing. They didn't really look at the website to make sure it's even accurate. So that's not allowed. 7 milligrams of sodium. To put it into perspective, a half a teaspoon of sea salt gives you 1,000 milligrams of sodium. So that is literally like adding 1 grain of salt into this formula. Paraxanthin, 100 milligrams. That is literally just a caffeine metabolite. That is basically like what you get when you drink a cup of coffee. 80% of what you're drinking ends up being paraxanthin. That's what that is. Then 30 milligrams of alpha GPC, a laughably small amount. An effective dose of alpha GPC is like 100 milligrams or more. So that's doing nothing. L-theanine, 10 milligrams. Again, that's tiny. That does nothing for you at all. And then ginseng root, 1 milligram. That's non-existent. That is completely non-existent. And they price it at just a ridiculous price point that people are apparently paying for. It's a total waste of money. And as someone who manufactures an actual, real, effective, good supplement, it just drives me crazy.
Let's compare that to my product, an actual product. So we have 1,200 milligrams of chloride and 800 milligrams of sodium compared to 7 milligrams of sodium with the Ultra Pouches. And they use a similar name, Ultra Pure Wellness, Ultra Pouches, come on. 6 grams of L-citrulline, 1.2 grams of taurine, a gram of L-tyrosine, 120 milligrams of vitamin C, 750 micrograms of vitamin B12, methylcobalamin, the actual proper one, and with zero discount whatsoever, which everyone gets a discount if you just use Jack, you get 25% off. It is literally $1.66 per serving.
So you don't need to buy my pre-workout. You don't need to use it as a daily performance mix. But please, if you're going to buy a supplement, please do not buy some nonsense scam like Ultra Pouches. Do your due diligence as a consumer and look at the ingredient label.